morning. Today we will be learning about the application of cut, copy and paste. Suppose we have to make a project on water pollution. For the content, we can simply Google here. Suppose these are the paragraphs which you want to present in your main project. So what you can do here is you have to select the paragraph. So for that you have to click on the left button of the mouse and simply drag the cursor down below the line. Now the paragraph is selected. Click on the right button of the mouse. Now a small box will appear in which the first option you will get is copy. Click on that. Open the Word document. Click on the right button of the mouse. Then paste option will appear here. Click on that. You can see the paragraph which you have which you have copied from Google is pasted here. Now talking about the cut command, it removes the selected data from its original position. Likewise, it appears to you that the last paragraph is not at all required here. So what you can do, you can simply cut the paragraph. So for that you have to select the whole paragraph and then click on the right button of the mouse. Then the first option you will get here is cut. So as you can see, the last paragraph is removed from here. So this was all. I hope this video was useful. Thank you.
Today we will be learning about the toolbox which is used in MS Word. So first tool is the font tool. The font tool basically shapes your font. So in this tool we can have different kinds of font. Like first is elephant font. There are basically different kinds of design in this font. Similarly, we can increase their size, like we can make increase its size. We can also minimize the size. Then there is an option of bold. We can make the selected word look more bold. Similarly, there is an italica option. It will italicize your word which you have selected. Then there is an underline tool. It will underline the word. Then there is a strikeout tool. It will basically strike out the word which you have selected. Then you can also have different color text. Like here I have selected red text. So it will show the word in a red color. Similarly, we can have many different kinds of colored text. Moving on, we can have more. This tool will give you more effect to your text, like this kind of effect. It is more kind of a beautification of what what you will be writing. So let's move on. This is an highlighter tool. It will basically highlight your text in whichever color you want to. Like here I have selected dark blue. You can also highlight in yellow and so on and so forth. Then we will be moving on towards other text. Then let's move on. We will erase them. Then I have pasted in paragraph from the YEF's website. So through paragraph text, I will show you different kinds of tools which we can use in this paragraph. So basically, these four tools are used for making the paragraph more justified, we can say, or have different kind of presentation of the text which we have selected. This will centralize your text. This will shift your text towards right, and it will basically align your text on both left and right side. Moving on, we can also have points in our text. If we will select this bullet, we can have different kinds of points like second bullet, third bullet. Similarly, there are different kinds of bullets which we can use. Like we can give them numbering and we can change their style and we can choose whatever style we want to. We can also fill this text with any color. Basically, it's an highlighter through which we can fill the paragraph through of with any color we want to. Basically, it is like this. Then style basically have a similar kind of, it is basically similar to font, but we can use, it will give a more professional look to your text. That's all for style. And then find tool is very important. We can find the words which we want to find, which is there in the paragraph. Like right now I want to find youth, so it will highlight the word youth which is being written on the navigation tool. Then that's all. Thank you for what that.
Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about three commands of file tab, that is open, save and save as. From open command we can open saved files. For example, we have saved a file by the name of Microsoft Word and now we want to open it. So firstly click on file tab and then click on open, and lastly select your file and click open. Our next command is save. This command is used to save a document. To save a file, first add some random words. To save a file, click on the File tab, then click Save command and type the name that in which name you want to save the file. Our last command is Save as. Save as command is used to save a file by two or more than two names. What is difference between save and save as command? Save command is used to save a document by only one name, but in save as command we can save a file by two or more than two names. For example, we have already saved a file by the name of MS Office, and now we want to save it by two names or more than two names. For that, we have to open the file we have already saved by the name of MS Office. For that, we have to open that file first with the name MS Office, and now we have to click on the File tab, then on Save As, and whatever name we want, then click on Save. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Andre. I am a volunteering intern at YEF, and today, or at least for this part, I'll show you how to type, edit, and format sentences, words, paragraphs using MS Word. So let's get right to it. Let's try with a statement. So it's just a nice random statement, which is the truth, by the way. MS Word is an amazing software. There are a lot of things you can do with it, a lot of styles you can use to just make this sentence or make this text look good. Let me show you what I mean. Now, just a point to remember before you start formatting or editing words, sentences, or paragraphs, you have to have the whole thing or whatever you wish to format selected. How do you do that? So I bring the cursor here, or any point really, and I click, hold the mouse button, and I drag over the whole sentence. And the whole sentence is selected. If I want a little shortcut, you put the cursor where you want it to be, press and hold the shift key, and go to the and press the other. Just click. The whole sentence is selected. Alright, now that we got the whole sentence selected, let's go to the options that we can use. So we go to home, and we see all these options here we can use to make this text look good. So let's say I increase the font size. Alright, I can decrease it. I can go straight to this dialog box here, font size. Go to this downward arrow box and choose whatever font I want. Like from 12 I can jump straight to say 28. I can, okay, let's select the whole thing again. I can go to this and choose uppercase. That basically makes everything in capital letters. I can make it lowercase. So in case you have any doubt as to what option does what, just move your mouse cursor over these options, just move it and it shall show you. Increase font size, make your text bigger, okay, that's cool. Change case, okay, uppercase, lowercase, that's nice. What does this do when I move my mouse cursor over here? Underlines the text, okay, let's try that out. Oh, okay, so the whole thing has underlined. So here there's use of two underlines here. You can choose that, you can change that to what you want. You can use the same one underline, you can use a thick underline, you can use dotted underline. Let's try that, just to make it a little different. Okay, that's looking cool. Let's choose a word. You don't have to edit and format a whole sentence. You can choose just a word and format and edit it as well. So let's choose this word and let's see what this does. Italize your text. Let's try that. Okay, that's nice. So basically it takes the word and makes it appear slightly tilted, slightly bent. So that's cool. Let's check this word, and what does this do? Makes your text bold. Alright, let's try that out. Oh, okay, now that's really looking bold. That's nice. But I don't like the color of this. I can change the color. So select the whole thing. I choose this. I wish to change the color of this whole sentence. So I go here, font color, choose this down arrow, and let's choose which color. So that's nice because as I just move my cursor over these colors, it gives me a little look. MS Word gives me a look as to how the text is gonna look like. So let's choose, what color is blue? Okay, let's go with blue. Alright, that's nice. Or I can choose, one thing that's really fun is that I can choose which font to put for this. So I should select this whole thing and I go to this font, press this downward box, and I can choose from any option that is given, which is a lot to be honest. So let's choose anyone. Let's choose this one, Lucida handwriting. That's looking really good. So just go around, have fun, experiment, and play around the software. In case you have come across any mistake, anything that you don't like, You go to this button here. It looks like an arrow that's pointing towards left. Undo font formatting. Just click that. And basically what you did, which you thought you didn't want, is undone. And you can just carry on. So experiment, have fun. In case you come across any mistake, don't be afraid to use the undo button, or you can use the shortcut Control plus C, and just have fun. That's it. Thank you.